So Teslas continuously receive over-the-air software updates which improve functionality and introduce features. This ensures that the cars are getting better over time without you ever needing to visit a service center. That's why in today's video, I'm going to show you 11 new features that you need to know about your Tesla, and we're starting right now. So the first feature we're going to highlight will be the updated auto park feature. Tesla's updated auto park feature uses the exterior cameras now instead of the ultrasonic sensors that it was using before. Now this system is different because now it's going to be able to locate any parking spot that's nearby the car, where before it was like one parking spot because it was using the sensors. So this is how this will work. I'm here driving in the parking lot. Now, as you can see here on the display, once the car slows down, you have different parking spots you can choose from. So before it was just like one. However, now just say if I want to park, let's just say right here. So I selected the parking spot. Now I'm going to hit start. Now the car is going to do the rest. So you see here, the car, whoa, be careful. It's getting real close to that car there, but we are still going to back right here into the spot. So now the car is going to back up. Watch this tail end. That was very close. You see that? But we cleared that Model Y over there, so that was awesome. That would have been an interesting video if we hit it. Now we are backing right into this spot here, and the car is still going. And we are coming to a complete stop. And as you can see right here, we kind of went over the line. Let's see if we move up. Nope, it actually kept us out of the line just a little bit. So in getting out of the car, we're actually going to see how the car did right here. So it's just slightly over the line. But the good thing is it went very slow, but Tesla is promising to improve this system as well, because it will be great in order for you to get out there and the car will automatically go and find its own parking spot. And another new feature that's included with your Tesla that you're going to want to know about will be your trip progress bar. So now available on your screen right below the navigation turn-by-turn directions, you're going to see a little line here with a red navigation icon. And as you're progressing on your trip, it's going to move right along. So you see right here at the very end, I know it's very hard to see here, but just say if you have traffic or anything that's happening on the way, it's going to indicate that there, and the red navigation icon will move right along so you know exactly where you are in your trip. And this trip progress bar will also indicate the real-time road conditions. And in order to make sure that this is enabled, you're going to come over here to the main menu, go to navigation, and you want to ensure that online routing is on. And this feature requires premium connectivity. And another update that you need to be aware about is dealing with your windshield wiper. Before, if you wanted to clean your windshield wiper, it would go through the whole process. But if your car is going more than 60 miles per hour, all you want to do is you can hold down one of the buttons on your steering wheel and push in, and no matter where the windshield wiper is at that time, so it will quickly clean off your windshield if you're traveling more than 60 miles per hour. And also with your Tesla, you can customize the lock sound with your car. Originally with most cars, it beeps one time for lock, 2 times the horn will honk for unlock, but now you can customize that with your Tesla. So what I'm gonna do real quick is put my microphone right up under the car because there's an external speaker on the car, and I'm gonna lock the car, and that way you can hear like a clown car. Here we go. So I'm putting it there, and I'm going to go on and lock it. So let's get in the car, and I'm going to show you how you can customize your own sound whenever you walk away or lock your car. In order to enable this, we're going to find our toy box. It kind of looked like this, and from there, right under the boom box, it's the first feature there, you have lock sound. So right here it's set on clown car. You can do an old horn, applause, goat, quack. There are so many things. And the cool thing is, if you put a USB in, you can also upload your own sounds to the car, or you can just have it to do it randomly. So this feature, whenever you're driving, is very handy, and I'm talking about the auto cancel turn signal. So just say that you're driving here on the road right now and you want to get over. So all you do is put on your turn signal, and whenever you get over, using the camera sensors in the cameras, it's going to detect after the maneuver is done, and it automatically turned off the turn signal. And this ensures that the signal does not remain on after making that lane change or your maneuver. And you can enable or disable this feature in the light setting on your Tesla's control menu. This next feature, it's been around for a while now. However, not everyone had access to it. It was only with those cars without the ultrasonic sensors, but now every Tesla on the road has this feature, and I am talking about Tesla Vision. It displays a high fidelity 3D representation of what's around your car. It's going to include barriers, other cars, road markings, etc. With regular vision, I'm in a parking lot right now, and you can see it's very boring. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to come right over here to the menu. We're going to come over here where it says autopilot, and we're going to go right here where it says park assist. We're going to go on and select Tesla Vision. And once I selected Tesla Vision, now you see the lane markings on the road, and you see the shapes of other cars as well. And here's how the standard vision look. I'm backing in my garage right now, and you can see it really doesn't show anything on the screen. Here again, I'm backing in my garage using Tesla Vision. And now you can see kind of where the grass is, the outline of the house, the other car in the garage, the walls to the house. So you can see right here that Tesla Vision, it actually includes more detail. It's almost like that 3D bird's eye view, but this is Tesla's version. But however, I'm pretty sure that Tesla will improve this feature over time. And autopilot can be activated either with a single or a double pull on the gear stock. And I'm going to show you the differences in the single and the double right now. But first, to see the single and double pull, we're going to come right here to the car menu. Go right here where it says autopilot. And right here on autopilot, you can see where it says autopilot activation, single, pull, or double pull. So the single pull will activate autopilot / auto steer, but if you push up the gear stock, all of it will be disengaged. It will be canceled. While the double pull, the first time that you pull is only going to activate TAC, which is your traffic aware cruise control. And the second time, then it will activate autopilot and the auto steer. And again, if you push up on it, it's going to deactivate everything. But one of the benefits with the double pull that I see is that if you're changing lanes, it will continue to keep the speed whenever you're getting over, versus the single pull. If you put your foot on the brake at all or anything, it's going to disengage it all. So therefore, if you take it out just to change lanes, you got to make sure that your foot is ready to go on the accelerator. And the left scroll wheel function is another key feature that you need to know about when it's coming to your Tesla. And this is available in all of your Teslas. So we're just going to come around here to your left scroll wheel. If we give it a long press, you're going to now get a menu right over here on this side. And you can control different aspects and different functions of your car right from the left scroll wheel. All I'm doing is scrolling, and you can see that the menu is scrolling as well. So if you are involved in any incident or accident with your Tesla, when your airbags deploy, your car can automatically dial 911, getting you help quicker. And this is great just in say if you are unable to pick up the phone and call, or you can't find your phone at the time, it will automatically reach out to first responders. And to enable and disable this feature, you're going to come over here to the main car menu. We're going to come down where it says safety, and from safety, we're going to scroll down just a little bit until where it says automatic 911 calls. Now, this requires a Bluetooth connected phone. So to disable is gray, to enable, to turn it on, is going to be blue. And this is another great feature for you to know, that your Tesla now has a speed camera chime. So whenever you are approaching one of those speed traps that's on the side of the road, where it's a little camera that will record your license plate if you're speeding in a particular area, your car will alert you before it's reaching that known speed camera. Now the unknown ones is probably not going to alert you, but if there's already one that's in place that the car already knows about, if it's already documented there on the Google Maps or the Tesla map or whatever, it's going to tell you that, and that way you can like reduce your speed before you get to it. Another great feature that you need to know about is all dealing with your navigation. Now you can see danger zones whenever you're navigating in real time. What do I mean by danger zones? Like if there's a road closure, if there's a car accident, etc. And in order to enable this, you're going to come over here to your main screen. We're going to go right over here to navigation, and from there you want to ensure that online routing is on, and remember this will require premium connectivity. And also there are so many features that not even Tesla owners know about their car, and I'll tell you more of those right in the video over there. Be sure you check it out, subscribe, and that way you don't miss another video, and I will see you in the next video.